Hi, I'm Alicia Firsty Varianny, Ponorogo's Tourism Ambassador 2019. I'm 18 years old and I was born in Ponorogo. I'm a passionate person, cheerful, and ambitious. I love myself so much, so I know what I want, what I love, and what I have. Some sectors like infrastructure, agriculture, and tourism have a potential for investment. The one of most prospective investment in Ponorogo is Ngebelek. Ngebelek is located at Lingkar Wilis and became an icon of Ponorogo's tourism and increased the visitors. But there is some problem to solve. Firstly, no balance between amount of visitors and the hotels. Secondly, I know Ngebelek is the most potential destination, but the development is still not optimal yet. So it requires professional businessmen. The solving of this problem is build something new and extraordinary thing. For the example, the investor can invest for a resort and water park. Resort and water park are suitable in Ngebelek area. I believe the number of visitors will increase significantly when Telaga Ngebel potentials are extremely developed. Even more when Lingkar Wilis projects are finished. This is absolutely will give the investor big benefits. For the future investor, you don't need to worry about the administrations or the license because the DPM PTSP will give you an assist to completing the whole process. I'm Alicia and I'm ready for East Java Investment Ambassador 2020.